In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick to reduce your image size without using any software. Let's jump right into it. First, open your image folder. Just select your images that we want to reduce in size. Then right-click. Choose Send to. Then click Mail Recipient. Next, choose your picture size in pop-up menu. Choose a smaller size, such as medium or small. Here I use medium size. Then click Attach. This will automatically compress the image. New window will pop up after attaching complete. Don't close or click OK. Keep it in the screen. Then go to search bar and type temp like this. Then open temporary file folder. You can see your converted images here. Just copy and paste them into new folder. Let's check the file sizes now. Here's the original file, and here's the one we get from temporary file folder. As you can see, the size is significantly reduced. That's it. Hope you'll enjoy.